Yes, what's happening, everyone? Right, today is going to be a good day, right, because I've got some gossip. So, there's been a car meet up in Claremont Farm in Clatterbridge for years. Right, now, they've had a bit of beef and they've split up into two. So, for the first time in years, one of them is going to be in Port Sunlight and the other one is going to be down in Claremont Farm. So we're going to go and do a little bit of investigating. We're going to go and see if we can find out some information for you guys and see what has and why they split up and that. If we don't, then we don't. But it might be a boss day anyway, so come on, let's go and have a look at some classic cars and let's go and have a bell today. Love yous all. Let's go. Yes. Yes, the new Sainsbury's over there. Right, guys, we're off. Yes. Okay, guys, it's time. Okay, guys, the planet. Let's get over this bridge. Yes, right, guys, okay, so I'm going to tell you the plan. I'm here outside Marley's. I've got my scooter. I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go to Birkenhead Park now, through there, meet Carlo, go and meet my dad up it is. And then from there we're going to Rock Ferry. We're going to meet old Jimmy. We're going to get to Port Sunlight. We're going to go and see Port Sunlight car meet. And then we're going to go to Claremont Farm and we're going to see their car meet. And then God knows where we're going from that. I'll speak to the lads. So yeah, come on guys, by the way, get to Marley's, the best #1 head shop in the UK. So yeah, let's go, let's have it. And Pressing Matters there, the dry cleaners and pastes also, and the hairdressers here, and the keys. We're all good businesses along here. Even these, the convenience store, man. So yeah, come on, let's do this. Right, we're nearly out the park now, guys. Just coming out of Birkenhead Park. Oh, bloody hell, the dashboard split open. Oh no. There you are, there's Carlo up there. Let's go and get him and see him. There he is, the other one.
Soliciting me wares on Palm Grove.
Oh, how much, bro?
Not much, mate.
You alright?
If you paid me by the pound, I'd be sound.
Yes, mate,
Yeah.
happy
Yeah,
days,
good,
man.
mate,
Same here, I'd be rich. Right, come on. Let's get this done, brother. Let's go. Yes, off we go. I love a good day out with the boys. Spot. Let's have it. Okay, guys, just to let you know where we're at. We've done 1,379, but I've done 2 miles getting here. So 1,377 miles. Let's see how many miles we clocked today. Come on. Yes, okay. We've got me dad. We've got Carlo behind. We're just going up into Oxton Village now. We're going to go up to the halfway house. We're going to go that way. And then up, down, over onto Daker Hill. And yeah, happy days, man. Happy days. Let's go. Okay. Looks like there's been a little bit of... don't know what's going on up here, but the police are here. Oh, there's something going on in Oxton. Looks like a little fete. Oh yeah, Oxton Fair. Oh wow. All kinds of little grand shops in there. Oh.
It's very good. Oh, that is that.
There's the boys. What's going on? Okay guys, we can't get sidetracked on our little mission. We're on a little mission, so... oh, sausage fest going on here. Oh guys, look at this one. Lovely chippy that, by the way, as well. Come on, Forza, let's go, lad. Here he goes. Look at my dad. He thinks he's a mod again. He's off. Look at him. Do-do, do-do, do-do. Yes, Carlo. That smells lovely, that. Whoa, slow down, Dad. Bloody hell, he hasn't had his medication today, guys. Trying to slow him down on it. Yes, there's the boys. Always wait for the green man, guys. Always wait for the green man. So we're up on the Prenton now by the halfway house. Straight across here. Cheers, mate, thank you. Yes, okay, guys, we've landed here by the old Tranmere Rovers football ground. Oh, the last time these had a cup in their hands, mate, was in the tea room. Come on, the Rovers. We've had to get on the road a minute. He has a bit ropey there. Sometimes we have to get on the road, guys. It is. Yay! So we're now heading down into Rock Ferry. We're just coming to the roundabout down here now by Dacre Hill and Mersey Park. We're going to go straight down here up Highfield Road and up to Jimmy's there. So yeah, here we go. Here's Victoria Park there. Let's get across this here. I don't know what, I'm just going to sneak across this bit here. Bit of the old Rock Ferry train station there. Oh, how we did, you know that? Yeah, going down the now, yeah. Oh, no, hang on, I'm going this way. Right, we're going this way, guys. Oh, what am I doing? Yes, guys, we've got old Jimmy there. My dad's flying already, he's off. He needs his medication. The boys are there behind us. We're flying, we're on the bike lane. We're heading towards New Ferry on the Newchester Road. Yes, what a lovely day as well. Perfect, come on. Okay guys, just entering New Ferry. Oh yes, bum, 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 bum. Okay, right guys, we're just entering the Port of Sunlight. The Port of Sunlight, absolutely stunning little village this. Yes! The boys are back in town. Oh yes. A little bit of Peaky Blinders round here. Yes guys, okay, so we've landed here now. It's all going off here. You've got cars everywhere on the village green. Oh wow, it's shocking. Oh, ow, oh, oh. Oh no, it's unclipped.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, Bill and Chris said it's alright, nice one boys.
Going, lads.
Come on boys.
Come on, Dad.
Okay, here we go guys, we're in.
Lead the way.
Let's go and have some. I'm going to lead the way. Oh wow, some of the cars here, man. Old Capri over there. Look at that. Engines in that, man. Yeah, let's get off my scooter. Oh. Oh, we're deep in the people here. Oh. Beep beep. Cheers. Right guys, we're getting off. It's too busy for us and our little chariots. Who's that? You alright? How are we boys? Are we alright?
Okay.
Yes, all good lad, all good. You?
Yeah, Sam,
Nice, nice, yeah. Plodding on, man, plodding on, yeah. Let's turn this on. Absolutely shocking it is down here. You alright, Juan? Lead the way, Juan, lead the way. Ready boys, yeah? Dad. Come on, Dad's behind. Come on, Dad. Okay guys, we've like I said, we finished here. Look at this, Port Sunlight. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. Okay guys, we're just having a little 5 minutes. We're just getting a couple of brews from the tea rooms. And then we're going to go off over that way and down the old railway track. Yes guys, we've got our brew, we're happy. Look at this lovely little village, absolutely stunning. What a lovely day so far, and we've only just started really, so yeah. Yes guys, look at this. Just thought to show you around here before we go. Before we go, look at this. You get down there. Lovely little park, such a lovely village this. The history behind this as well guys is unreal. Yes, we finished there now with the tea rooms, absolutely lovely brew. Coffee was nice, said the lads as well. So we're going to go meet one of the lads now, we're going to go meet Paul. And he's going to come out with us for the rest of the day, so yeah. Just got to cross over here and get under this bridge. And
through that tunnel there, Jim.
Off we go.
Just behind this after there.
Up into Bebington, Brackenwood now. Oh yes. There we go, we've got Paul. Come on boys, let's do this. Okay guys, we're landed down here. Look at this lovely little courtyard here, man. Ceramics. We've got our Paul there now. There's Jimmy and me dad. Carlo. Oh, there. Come on, ceramic classes. There you go, look at that, me and my bird are going to come here. Yeah, so we have Big Paul leading the way. Boosh, we're in Claremont Farm. I think we're going to have some dinner. Are we having some lunch here, boys, or what? Oh, where's the mods? There's all the mods in that. We are the mods, we are the mods, we are the mods. Where was the pub we had a scram last time? Oh, farm shop. What's in the farm shop? I want to go in that farm shop and have a little mooch around in a bit. Farm shop. Farm shop. Eggs, milk, cheese, bread, meat, pies, pastry. Yeah. Should we go? Yeah. Oh, it's shocking in there. We're not getting in there. Yeah, we're not getting in there. How are you? All right? Yeah, not bad, mate. Plodding on. Having a little mooch around and. Hiya, mate, you all right? Yeah, who's beeping there?
Grandad should be on one of these with them all, shouldn't he?
Yeah, get Grandad out.
No, to
all right, mate?
He actually needs one,
Yeah,
he's only got one leg.
How are you?
Where's Jay?
Jay's not with us today. He's got his kids, so he's doing dad for the day today, Jay. So,
Not playing out.
yeah, he's not playing out. He's not allowed out.
No, we
We're
go
having
see
a
that
pub for a
one.
pint.
Get in. You drink for all the dads that are doing the daddy weekend, man.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on then,
mate.
friend.
Have a good day. See you later. Enjoy. See you later. So, come on, are you going or are you staying? Yeah, don't want to crush you, man. Look at the boys, straight to the toys, innit? Yeah. I had the Can-Am similar, but a four-wheeler one.
You have?
Yeah, I did have. Sold it a couple of about 2, 3, 4 years ago, whatever, bro. Big yellow one. Big glass yellow one, mate, yeah. Well, I want to go in the farm shop, yeah, and go and have a look. So we're not getting in there, it's heaving, innit? Where's all the cars?
I don't know, must be on the
Should we go to the farm shop first? Get some eggs in that. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Chaplain chef, you all right? Yeah, man, all good, all good. You all about that? Yeah, the vlogging, mate, yeah, it's just... Actually, it's on in here. Yeah. Your ass for getting to shit. It's your ass for getting to shit, mate, yeah. His ass wakes up at 4 in the morning, just shits. Yeah. Hey, again. Whoa, let me go now. Yes, please. We're going there in a minute, man. Oh yeah, I love it, mate. Okay, so we're still at Claremont Farm, but first we're going to go and get a brew from one of the shops on the roundabout here. Hey! Oh, we're on Clatterbridge roundabout, guys. Yes. You know, Subway Launders. Let's get over there and grab a little Subway. Cup of tea from Subby, man. Oh, Paul's going to Starbucks. Looks like we're getting bruised from here. Okay, you Starbucks lovers. We're in Starbucks drive-through on our mobility scooters. Are they going to serve us or are they going to send us packing? Let's see.
Caramel latte.
Caramel latte.
Yeah.
And can we have a caramel macchiato as well, please?
Yeah, of course. Anything else?
And
Cup of tea.
A cup of tea, please.
A cup of tea. Do you want any milk with it?
Yeah, please, and sugars.
Yeah, we'll give you sugar at the window, so don't worry.
Oh, great.
No problem. Anything else?
yeah, that's it.
Try brown for me.
Thank you.
She sounded so nice, didn't she? Yeah, lovely. No, nice, yeah. Happy days. So, yeah, there we go. Looks like we're getting our brews. No messing. There he goes. Man's at the window. Paul's paying for this one.
Need to get them
Yeah, spending your pip, aren't you, lad?
meant to spend it on things that make you happy.
Yes, we've ordered our brews. Sort us out. Happy days.
I'm getting a caramel cowabunga.
Oh, what are you getting, Paul?
Service with a smile.
Oh, nice.
What's that, mate?
Which drink did you want the extra shot in?
Yes, guys, we've got our brew. Absolutely buzzing. Let's go into the beer and grab something to eat. Okay, so we've landed here. Oh, look at all them strawberries, man. Strawberry fields forever. Yeah, let's go in. Yeah, it's empty now.
Let's go slow, innit?
Yeah.
No wheelies.
There's me old man there. No wheelies, Dad. Yeah, so what's happening? How are we? Yeah, look at these bad boys, guys. Sick, look at that one. I'd love to have a go with that. Oh, the boss then. Oh, yes we can. Right, let's go and have a look at some of the old cars, man. Quite a lot of them are going. Look at that. Like brand new. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the engine on that.
Of the Interceptor there.
Yeah. Look at that. No, kid, you will be, lad. You will be now. Oh, look at the XR2i. Used to rob them back when we were kids. I'm only messing me never. There. Alright, mate. What do you do for a living, mate?
Can't beat it with a fishnet.
That's what we like to see. Yes, get in. Yes, look at these guys. Some lovely cars. Oh yes, look at all these cars. Apparently the night riders here somewhere, you know.
Yes, boys.
Yes, what's happening, mate? You alright? Look at the rat. Had a few of them in my day. Oh yes, the old Beetle. You alright, mate? Yes, man. Some belter cars, man. It's all getting a bit empty now, everyone's bailing.
3 o'clock the bailing out, aren't they?
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. We meant to. No way, our kid had one of them. But a yellow one. Yeah.
1.6, 1.9 wheel. Yeah, here's Kit. Here's Kit.
Where?
Just there. He's coming up on it on the right hand side.
Oh, guys, look what's here.
I don't understand.
Kit.
I suggest you keep your amble derriere off my hood.
Oh my god.
Really, all you have to do is look at the monitor. Closer, the signal is progressively stronger.
Hey, is that a kit car?
Losing one's memory is so embarrassing. Now that I've got my memory back, you can count on me. I understand the request, but I will need a little time. These are not simple calculations and evaluations. Nobody asked you. Very funny.
I've lost all the boys. Here they are up here. Yo, hello. There's my dad. Oh, look at the little Mini there. Holy smoly, love all them. My first car. Yeah, of course, man, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Get me back up, Carlo.
Juan! I need you to come and help me, Juan. Country roads. Ow, whoa, fucking nettles, man. Yeah, look at that little beast. I love it. Yes, Stevie. Your old mate Steve. Yes, man.
Hi everyone.
There he goes, the night rider, off into the day. Oh yes, look at this.
I'll be shouting at me, missus.
So we're going with the balls and
Yeah.
then straight to Dibbons.
Right guys, we're done here, we're finished. We're off on a little mission. Are you ready, boys? Off to Dibbonsdale now.
Yeah.
Are you coming to Dibbonsdale or are you going home? Okay mate, so yeah, we're going to go and drop Paul off and then off to Dibbonsdale. And yeah, who's on Frank there? Oh, wrong way. There we go. See you in a bit, take it easy. So guys, like I said, we're off. Let's see if we can get out of here, look at that. This is the joy of being on a mobility scooter. What's this? All these cars. Look at that, that's nice, boom. There's Juan. Juan. Hello, Juan. Whoa. Look at the little Jack Russell, perfect. Perfect picture. Yeah, look, that was quicker than Night Rider, bro. Here we have the Night Rider. Boosh, up here we go. Yeah, no, nice to have you out, Jim. Jimmy's just saying there, he's missed his little days out. Summer's here. Sun's out, bun's out, guys. You know the score. Meow.
Did you just say sun's out, buns?
Sun's out, bun's out, big
Yes,
bad.
man.
Yes, man.
But yeah, tonight.
All right, fire.
That's easy, good for me again.
Yeah.
Very well, no problems.
Oh, yeah, good, yeah.
If you come out and trust in that, then maybe you can stay local, you know what I mean? 'Cause you've got to
Yeah.
sit down, got to feel faithful and that.
Because it's been sat up for a while.
Yeah. All the rust well off, mate, and ready to rock and roll again. Right, you're going down there, yeah? Sit
Yeah.
down there.
Paul, we love you.
Right.
Right, Paul. Boosh.
Love you.
Yes, love you, lad.
You're going down there.
We're going down that way.
later. Alright guys.
Okay guys, we've landed. We've made it here. Dibbonsdale. Dibbonsdale. So you want to come up here and go down there. Whoa! Through here. Which way was it? Round that way, innit? Is it up that way? Or this way?
Straight left. It was straight left. Oh no, it was right. Yeah, it was right because we used to have to double back.
Up here, innit? Yeah. So stay there, Dad. Don't come back, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You gotta go this way. Yeah, double back this way. Whoa! Here comes me Dad. Here comes Carlo. Oh, whoa! Sorry. Right, look at this. Off-road, man. Proper enduro. Hey, hey, woohoo! Oh, yes. There they come. Oh, yes. Here comes Carlo. Yes. Here comes the James there. Oh, wow, right. Don't know whether I'm going the right way. See, I want to come and go down all these mad little paths one day. Look like down there. The stairs, I can get down them, but oh man, Carlo and the rest of the lads would really struggle. But I wouldn't. Might try it one day. There we go, guys. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Here we have the boys coming out of the bushes.
Oh, you mean you?
Okay, so we're going to go this way. This is quite a steep hill, as you can see by the speed of it. Here comes the boys. There they go.
Help the aged, help the motherfucking aged. Don't just put them in a home, don't put them in a mofo home.
Help the aged. There we go. Okay. Shit. Yeah, over this bridge, but we had a problem here last time. The step quite high. Yeah, look at this. Right, I reckon we stop here for a minute. Have a ciggy in that. Yeah. As long as people can get past, bro, it's alright.
That's nice.
Yes. Up onto this here, guys. Look at this. Oh, ow. Oh, ow. Amazing, Jim. Amazing, mate. Doing really well. Show you now. Okay, this way. So we're gonna go through Dibbonsdale. Right, this might be a bit of a. Oh, 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 Jimmy's off. Who's off? Dad, you okay?
Yeah.
You okay, Dad? Oh, Dad, you all right, Dad?
Yeah, fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
What's it? You're on the head.
Nothing
You banged your head. It wasn't bad though. Here we are down at the bottom of Spittle Dam. The water's flowing nicely that way. Up this way. Lean forward as well, Dad. Always lean forward. Over this way. Yeah. Yeah.
I have myself.
Your dad just fell off the scooter, guys, just to let you know. Go on, Carlo. I don't know whether I got it on video or not, but yeah, my dad's just literally just toppled the scooter. He's alright though, he's got a bit of a scratch on the back of his head. Here we go, magical tunnel. Oh, is it? So we'll just stop here. Nice little stream there. Lovely little bridge here to go through in a minute, which is going to be nice. Oh, amber off. Oh, scary. Get your lights on, Dad. Yes. We're through. There we go. Well in, Dad, get in, that's it. This go to the left a bit, that's it. Look at this. Lovely, lovely is Dibbons Dale. Nice lovely little bridge down here in Dibbons Dale. Wait there, Dad. Look at this. Stunning. Right, I think we go this way. I'm not sure. Boys are behind. I think we go this way. Is it that way up there, Carlo? Yeah, it says up there. Yeah, it's down here. No, it's down here. Yeah. Go to the left. Then to the right of the tree here, Dad. Lean forward, mate. That's it. Let's see Jimmy. See if Jimmy's okay. Jimmy's okay. Here comes one. Here's the cheeky one. Boosh. Boosh. Here you are, look at me dad's head.
Take a picture of it.
Boosh.
Take a picture of it, let me have a look.
Here we go. Rolling down the road. Dibbons Dale. We like to go. Every step I make. Welcome to Dibbons Dale. Which way? This way? Straight on or? Which way? Straight up. Okay, we're going straight up this way. Oh, right through the dog shit. Oh no, come on. Ah, yeah. Okay. Which way? Which way? I think it's this way. Which way? You are this way, yeah? Okay, we're out of Dibbons Dale. Yeah. Hey! Sore head, Frank. Rumbling now. So right. Okay guys, so we finished in Dibbons Dale. Now we're going to go through Bromborough Retail Park and down to the back end of the River Mersey. The River of Mersey. Let's go. Carlo's leading the way, by the way guys. Carlo is leading the way. Bromborough Mackey's there. Little.
It's a tight squeeze.
It's a tight squeeze.
Single gap, isn't it?
Yes.
Single gap, isn't it?
On the old Croft Retail Park. Yeah. So we're at the back of the old Ritzy and that, the old bingo. What, Jim? Oh, those I can smell is peanuts, man, from the peanut factory. Oh, smell them peanuts, bro. Oh, they smell so nice. There we are, Carlo. Go ahead. Follow them, Jim. We do. It's new to use this, Jim. Don't think you've done it. Oh, yeah, I didn't see you there. You're hiding well. Oh, this is the levers one, yeah? Sorry, Jim. It is? Yeah? You say, yeah, it is? Sorry, my big. Oh, bloody hell, Dad. Bloody hell, Bill.
I've been down here before.
Hello. I don't think so, no.
Hello.
Hello. The old bowling green there. All the old deers coming out, probably gonna die off this one day. But the young people don't play it, do they? So sad, man. Yeah. Okay, I'm just driving anyway here. Come on this way, Jim. My fault. Okay, guys, so we're just here. Opposite the old conference room, Hume Hall. And there's a little cake shed here, so we're going to have a little look inside it and see what's what. Come on, let's go.
Look at that, Francis.
Yeah, what's an item?
Oh, Carlo's got loads of pennies as well, happy days.
In the cupboard.
Yeah, my dad's going to go in and have a little look.
Doesn't believe us.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, just a little snack shed, yeah? Yeah. I'm going to buy some stuff now. I'm going to go and have a look, see what's in there.
Don't know. It's all cake stuff, I think.
Stall. Yeah.
I don't
Okay,
even
guys,
know,
let's have a little
I
look,
think
see
the
what's in it.
field, I think.
Oh,
Sorry, people.
look at this.
Taking up the,
Look at this, guys. All kinds of stuff.
like shortbready, chocolatey type of stuff.
Oh, yeah, there's chocolates, there's little cakes at the top, Hoover discs, carpet, foam cleaner,
Carpet.
wax melts, crisps,
It's a cake.
cake. Yeah. Yeah, my dad's grabbing something, look at that. Get in, Dad.
$1.50.
Okay, guys, I've gone for 4 packets of Chewits. The Chew Sweets, yes, get in. Yes, guys, so we're all done. Jimmy's got some sweets, my dad's got some sweets. I've got some Astro belts and a few other bits and bobs.
I bought the last of the white chocolates. Everyone's unhappy apart.
Yeah, there you go. Get down here, guys. So, guys, we're back on the New Chester Road, the way we were coming earlier on. And yeah, that's it. We're going to drop Jimmy off now. Jimmy's going to go home and drop my dad off, and then yeah, off we go. Okay, guys, so we're done and dusted now. We're in Birkenhead Park. We're just finishing off, just saying goodbye to Carlo. Going to get ourselves home, get wrapped up, go and have some dinner.
Yeah.
Nice one for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it.
It's been a great day.
It's been a great day, bro, hasn't it?
Mate,
Yeah, absolute belter. Hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, share, tell your friends. Stay blessed.
Be good, people.